Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope your stock portfolios are doing amazing. Because today we have a big update to go over on Bionano Genomics, stock ticker symbol BNGO. Recently, Bionano Genomics announced that they were doing another stock offering. They just completed their first $100 million stock offering on January 12th, 2021. Now they have a second stock offering, and we didn't know the details of this yet. They announced it on yesterday. However, now we know the specific details, how many shares they're offering, what the price is, and what this means for the stock moving forward. I'm also going to go over some important updates on their Saphyr system, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at tomorrow's video. I'm going to go over a small cap stock that is less than $15 per share that ARK Invest is buying shares of. And the only stock comparable to this company 3 months ago was at $15 a share. Now it is over $75 a share. So this company is following on the same track as that one. And I think it has a 5 to 6x potential just over the next couple of months. So make sure to stick around to the end where I go over that. But if you enjoy this sort of content, you find this video helpful, then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on Bionano Genomics. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account, which is currently sitting around $600,000, was up over 105%. This year, our goal is to get that account to $1 million, and we're well on our way to doing that. So if you'd like to see the investments I'm making in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want access to our Discord group, where we talk about stocks that are going to be IPOing and stocks that I don't talk about on YouTube, well then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time over there. So anyways, Bionano Genomics had announced that they were doing a secondary stock offering, and they announced this the other day, but they didn't give us specific details on how many shares were being offered, what the price was at, and all of the specific numbers. And that's pretty important because depending on what these numbers were, we're going to dictate the stock price in the short term. So they announced that they expect to raise roughly $200 million via the sale of 33,333,350 shares of common stock at a price of $6 per share. Currently, Bionano Genomics, its stock price, is sitting right around $8 per share. And earlier this week, when they first announced this stock offering, the stock was all the way up to $9.55 per share. So this is really important because the stock going down in the short term over the last 3 or 4 days is mainly due to the fact because of this stock offering. People didn't know what the price was going to be. However, with any stock offering, it essentially dilutes the shares that you have, and that's why the stock price has gone down as of recently. But with this stock offering, it also gave underwriters the option to purchase an additional 5 million shares at the same price, so at that $6 price, and this is expected to close on January 22nd. So until January 22nd, I think we're going to see the stock price of Bionano Genomics drop closer to that $6 range. Right now it's at $8, but I think you'll definitely see it drop lower over the next couple of days. It's not guaranteed to happen, but in my opinion, I think it's definitely going to drop down just because this stock offering is at $6 per share. And when we've seen this with other companies in the past, specifically with Nano Dimension, which has had multiple stock offerings recently, every time they do a new stock offering, it drops down at least to the price that the stock offering is before it goes back up again. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but in short term, I think it definitely will get closer to that $6 price and it will drop in the short term. But let me know your thoughts on that. Bionano, now that they've had these couple of stock offerings, they've raised $100 million in that other round last week. Now they'll be raising $200 million. And with all this extra capital, they're on much more solid ground financially. This is great news for the company. Now they'll have more money for R&D, new studies, and everything else they want to do moving forward. And it'll just help the company grow. They were at risk of being delisted off of the NASDAQ because their stock price was too low and it didn't qualify and it didn't meet their qualifications. However, now the stock price has risen significantly over the last couple of weeks. At one point it was less than $1 per share, but now it's all the way up over $8 a share. And we have a couple of big announcements on their Saphyr system as well. So they had a 5-day event where they spoke about research and studies specifically related to the Saphyr system. And on day 2 of their 5-day event, scientists and clinicians suggested that the platform, the Saphyr system platform, is cost-effective, provides actionable information faster in a single assay. And it was reported that the Saphyr system is capable of identifying actionable variants in hematological malignancies detected by several cytogenomic methods combined, as well as variants missed by traditional methods. So basically what scientists and clinicians were saying is that this method with the Saphyr system is more effective at detecting variants than other tests are right now. So it basically just makes it more efficient, and it makes it so you can find diseases, detect them sooner. On day 3 of the event, they also explained how the Saphyr system provides a comprehensive and clear picture of structural variation in solid tumors. They were looking at a study on brain cancer, and they said that this research and this system, the Saphyr system, will be able to help detect it faster and do things that the previous systems that are being used now couldn't do before. So they're saying Saphyr system is not only more efficient, but it also can do things that previous technologies weren't able to do. And finally, at day 4, they also spoke about the Saphyr system, and they concluded that the platform can measure large expansions of disease-causing genomic repeats, which may not be possible with other modern techniques. They explained how some of the genetic diseases that were diagnosed and were able to be detected with this Saphyr system included muscular dystrophy testing. So there's a lot of benefits to this system right now. It's able to detect more variants in the genome than other systems previously. And they have this secondary stock offering now that we do know specific details on. Short term, we're probably going to see the stock price drop closer to that $6 range. Long term, I still think this company has a lot of potential. If all of their research and their studies and everything they're trying to do actually works out and they are successful, I think we'll definitely see the stock continue to rise over the next couple of months and years. But that hinges solely on the fact on what their Saphyr system can do and if it is successful. If not, we are most likely going to see the stock price drop. But as long as everything continues to go well, the stock price should continue to go up in the long term. Now, I want to give you a quick look into tomorrow's video. Tomorrow, before the market opens on January 21st, I'm going to be talking about a new SPAC that is set to merge with an electric helicopter company. And it's not just electric right now. They use gasoline and combustion engine vehicles right now, but they're going to be transitioning over to electric vehicles. I'm just going to give you the name, and the name of this company is called EXPC, and it is merging with a company called Blade. EXPC is very important, this stock that we're going to be talking about, because ARK Invest has been just starting to add over the last 4 to 5 days a position in this company, and it is a very small market cap company worth less than $500 million. So when ARK Invest starts putting money into a very small market cap company that is less than $1 billion, this one's less than $500 million, we're most likely going to see the stock price skyrocket over the next couple of days when more people realize what ARK Invest is starting to do and when people understand exactly what the company's goals are for the next couple of years and how they have the potential of being the next Uber of the sky. So anyways, I'll let you know more details on that stock tomorrow, but I wanted to let you guys know a quick look into it, let you know what stock I'll be talking about. I already talked about it on our Patreon with everyone who is a part of that, but I wanted to let you guys on YouTube know as well. So anyways, let me know your thoughts on Bionano Genomics, what you think about the stock in the short term and the long term, and where you see the stock price going. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.